Now let's finish this up by migrating isLoggedIn. Currently we're managing it in app view, and that's of course not the goal. Instead, I'll manage this as a root state, which is not in a module, but which is managed in the store itself, though of course you could put it into a module if you wanted to. But with that, we return an object here, and in there we got isLoggedIn, which initially is false in our main store. With that in app view, we can entirely get rid of data. Now I got these two methods, which I will now also cut, and hence we can remove methods here, and add them as mutations instead. So here we got the mutations, and in login, we get the state, and we change state is logged in and set it to true. In logout, we do the opposite. Now we also need actions, as you learned. So here I will also add login and logout actions. And we get our context here. And then context commit login here. And in logout, we do the same with the logout mutation. And then we can add a getter. Is authenticated, could be the getter name. The name is up to you, of course. Here we also get our state. And then we return state is logged in, which is true or false. And now we can wire up the rest of the app. In app view, we're not using authentication, but in the header, we are. Here I got login and logout buttons, and I'm using the isLoggedIn state to show or hide an extra menu item. So to make that all work, I'll add methods here to wire up those buttons, and add a login method, which will trigger this store, dispatch, and then login. We got no namespace here because this is a root action directly in the store. Now, same thing for logout. Of course, with a different action being dispatched. And in computed, I will add a isLoggedIn computed property, which points at the this store is authenticated getter we just added. So that is this getter. It's a global getter, not namespaced, which is why we access it like this. This here should be at click, of course, not at logout. This was a mistake on my side. It was fixed in your attachment already though, but make sure you have click listeners on those buttons. And then this works. The admin page doesn't allow us to do much, but we can go there. Now we stay there if we log out, but it's not about that at the moment. Instead, this is about Vuex, and you now hopefully have a good understanding of how it works and how you may add it to your projects.